Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this particular video, we are going to discussing about the determination of atomic term symbols. నేను మీకు ఈ వీడియోలో అటామిక్ టర్మ్ సింబల్స్ మీద వచ్చే ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాను. సో నౌ స్టార్ట్ దిస్ సెక్షన్. సో ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ దిస్ atomic term symbol, write the ground state term of samarium 3 plus and europium 3 plus. This question is given in CSI NET June 2015, 4 marks. So first of all, you have to solve these questions. First of all, you have to understand that this samarium 3 plus and europium 3 plus atomic number. So in that samarium is a atomic number is 62. So the general electronic configuration, these two are the F block elements. So samarium is atomic number is 62. The general electronic configuration is here. This is xenon. Xenon is a 54, and here this is the 4f, 6 and 6s2. So, but in the case this is the samarium is a +3 oxidation state. So the atomic number is 59. So the xenon 4f 5 6s0. So this is the general electronic configuration of the samarium 3 plus. So in the samarium 3 plus is a xenon 4f5. So the f orbital is like that: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here this is the ml value +3 +2 +1 0 -1 -2 -3. So here this is the 4f5. So 1 2 3 4 5. The 5 electrons is filled in this manner according to Hund's rule. So in that Fe5 configuration, so here this is the S value is equal to the, here this is 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to the 5/2. So the spin quantum number value is 5/2 because of the each electron is spin is plus off. So you have to find out the 2s plus 1 value, that is called as spin multiplicity value. So 2 into 5/2 plus 1, 2 is cancelled. So this is the 6. 6 is the spin multiplicity value in this F5 configuration. So here this is the S value is 5/2. Now we have to calculate the L value. So the L value, this is the +3 +2 +1 is +6. Here this is -1. So the -1 plus 1 is cancelled. So L value is 5. So the L value is 5, S value is 5/2. So L value is 5. So here this 0 is the disconnected state is 1 S, and 1 the disconnected state. It means L value is 0, disconnected term is S. L value is 1, disconnected term is P. 2 it means it has D. 3 it means it has F, and 4 it means it has G, and 5 it means it has H. So these are the disconnected terms for this L value. So coming to the this L is equal to 5, the disconnected state is H. So this is the spin multiplicity value is 6, and the disconnected term L value is 5 is equal to H. So here this is the 6H is a ground state term. So now we have to calculate the ground state term symbol. So in that case this is the less than half field. So the J value is equal to the lowest J value is the ground state term. So we have to calculate the L minus S. So L is equal to 5, S is equal to 5/2. So finally this is the 5, 10 minus 5/2 is the 5/2. So 5/2 is the J value. So 6H 5/2 is a ground state term symbol for this samarium 3 plus. So you have to calculate the europium 3 plus. Okay, so europium 3 plus. So europium is a atomic number is 63. So here the 60 europium 3 plus is a, so the atomic number of the europium 3 plus is 60. So the here this is electronic configuration is xenon 4f6. So this is the general electronic configuration. So the general electronic configuration is like that: 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the F orbital like that. So this is the magnetic quantum number value +3 +2 +1 0 -1 -2 and -3. So here this is the -1 and +1 is cancelled, and here -2 and +2 is cancelled. So the S value, it means the L value is equal to the, in this case is a +3, S is equal to 6 by 2. It means S is equal to 3. S is equal to 3. So spin multiplicity value 2S plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to, this is 6 plus 1 7. So 7 is the spin multiplicity value of this europium 3 plus, and L is equal to 3. So L is equal to 3, the disconnected term is F. L is equal to 3, the disconnected term is F. So 2S plus 1 spin multiplicity value is 7. So you have to find out the atomic ground state term. The ground state term is europium 3 plus is a this is the 7, and disconnected state is F. So this is the 7F is a ground state term. But here this is a less than half period. So J is equal to L minus S. So J is equal to L value is 3. S value is also 3. So J is equal to 0. So J is equal to 0. So 7F 0 is a ground state term for this europium 3 plus. Okay friends, samarium 3 plus is a 6H 5 by 2 is a ground state term, and europium 3 plus is a 7F0. So these two are the ground state terms of this samarium 3 plus and europium 3 plus. So now coming to the another question, write ground state terms for the NS1 and MP1. So in this question is given in CSIR NET June 2015 2 marks question. So you have to write the first electronic configuration of this example is NS1 and NP1. So here this is the S orbital is like that. So the P orbital is 1, 2, electron is filled in this manner. So here this is the S is equal to half, plus here this is the one electron is present in this state. So here this is the spin value is plus of is equal to the 1. So now we have to calculate the 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so the spin multiplicity value is 3, and here this is the spin value is 1. It means spin quantum number value is 1. So here this is the NS1 NP0. The magnetic quantum number value is 1, 0, minus 1. So this is 0. S orbital magnetic quantum number value is 0. Here this is plus 1 and is 0 minus 1. So now we have to calculate the L is equal to here 0 plus here this is 1. So L value is 1. The disconnected term is L value is 1. The disconnected term is P. So this is the 3P. 3P is the ground state term. So now we have to calculate the ground state term symbol. So here this is the outermost electronic configuration NP1. This is the less than half period. Now we have to calculate the L minus S. J is equal to L minus S. So J is equal to L value is 1. And here this is the S value is 1. So the J is equal to 0. So finally 3P 0 is a ground state term symbol for this NS1 MP1 electronic configuration. So this question is very important in competitive exam. So one more question. The question is possible J values for 3D term. So this question is given in CSIR NET June 2011. So the question is possible J values for 3D term. మనకి ఇక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే 3D term అనేది ఇచ్చారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఇన్ దట్ 3D terms కి J value possible J values ఎన్ని ఉంటాయో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద 3D term. 3D term means here this 3 is nothing but the spin multiplicity value 2s plus 1. D is the disconnected term. Here this L value is 2. So here this is the L value is 2. The disconnected state is this. So L value is equal to 2. Okay, so L value is given. So spin multiplicity value is given. Now we have to calculate the J value. So in that case 2s plus 1 is equal to 3. Spin multiplicity value అనేది 3 కాబట్టి మనం S value అనేది find out చేస్తాం. So S value is equal to here this is the 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. So S value is 1. S value is 1. L value is 2. Now we have to calculate the J values. Okay, so J is equal to L plus S2 L minus S. So J is equal to L value is 2 and S value is 1. 2. L value is 2 minus 1. So J is equal to 3, 2 and 1. So these are the possible J values. So the possible J values for 3D term is 3D3 and 3D2 and 3D 1. So this is very important in question in our competitive exam. So this is very important. 3D 3 and 3D 2 and 3D 1. So these three terms are the possible J values for this 3D term. But in these three terms, which one is the most stable term? It means which one is the lowest energy state or ground state term. So in that ground state term here, this is the S value is 1, like that this configuration is in that manner, like that in this manner this configuration is present in A. So here this is the less than half field. So the less than half field is the lowest J value, is a most stable term, that is the ground state term. So here this is the J value is 1 is the lowest value. So here this is the 3D 1 term is a ground state term. So this is the one more important question in our competitive exam. So okay, this question is clear. So coming to the one more question, this is clear. First of all, this is arise. So coming to the next question, the question is a term symbol for ground state atom. So this question is given in CSIR NET December 2011. Okay, so you have to find out the ground state term symbol for this nitrogen atom. First of all, what is the electronic configuration of the nitrogen atom? Okay, so the nitrogen is atomic number is 7. So the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So this is the general electronic configuration of the nitrogen atom. So here this is nitrogen atom, the outermost shell is like that. So the electrons is filled in this manner. So here this is the magnetic quantum number -1, 0 and +1, 0, -1. So that you have to calculate the spin quantum number value. This is the +1/2, +1/2, +1/2 is equal to 3/2. 3/2 is the S value. So you have to calculate the 2s plus 1. 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity value is 2 into 3/2 plus 1. 2 is cancelled. So this is the 4f. So the 4 is the spin multiplicity value. So S is equal to 3/2. Now we have to calculate the L value is like that. L is equal to +1 -1 is cancelled. So L value is 0. So the L value is 0 and the disconnected term is S. L value is 0. The disconnected state is S. So here this is the 4S. 4s is the ground state term. Now we have to calculate the ground state term symbol. But here this is the electronic configuration is more than half filled and half filled. Now we have to calculate the J is equal to L plus S. So J is equal to L plus S. So J is equal to L value is 0, S value is 3/2. So S value is 3/2. So J is equal to 3/2. So the ground state term symbol for this nitrogen atom is 4s 3/2. So the 4s 3/2 is a ground state term symbol for this nitrogen atom. Okay, so this is clear. So next question, the lowest energy state of 1s1 2s1 electronic configuration according to Hund's rule. So this question is given in CSIR NET June 2018. So the four option is given in there. A is 3s0, B is 1s0, C is 3s1 and D is 1s1. So here this is electronic configuration is 1s1 and 2s1. So this is very simple question. So 1s1 and 2s1. So the electronic configuration is like that. So this is the S orbital is 1 electron. Here this 2s orbital is 1 electron. So spin is equal to 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 1. So the spin multiplicity value 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the spin multiplicity value is 3. Here this is the spin multiplicity value is 1 and 1. So these two options are wrong. But here these two options are, which one is the correct? Okay. So here the spin multiplicity value is 3. So you have to calculate the L value. So this is the 0 L value and this is the magnetic quantum number value. These two S orbitals are 0. So L value is 0. So L value is 0. So the disconnected state is S. So here S is present in A, here S is present in A. So now we have to find out the J value. So J is equal to, here these two are the, here this is the half field. So you have to calculate the J is equal to L plus S. So J is equal to L value is 0, S value is 1. So J is equal to 1. So finally what happens, so this is the 3s1 term is a correct. Okay friends, so the ground state, it means electronic configuration of 1s1 2s1 electronic configuration, lowest energy state is 3s1. So 3s1 is a term, is a ground state term for this 1s1 and 2s1. Okay, so this is clear. So now coming to the next one more question. The question is the spectroscopic ground state term symbol for octahedral aqua complexes of Mn2 and chromium 3 and copper 2 complexes are. Okay, so you have to calculate the ground state term symbols for these Mn2 complex and chromium 3 complex and copper 3 complex. So this question is given in CSIR net December 2016. This question is 4 marks, very important question. So this question is given in 4 marks. Okay, so the 4 options is given in there. So first of all, you have to focus on these Mn2, chromium 3 and copper 2 complexes. So one by one you have to calculate the term symbols. So first one is Mn2. So Mn2 is the generally Mn is electronic configuration is 25. Here this oxidation state is 2. So this is the 23. So the 23, the electronic configuration is argon. So argon here, this is the argon 3d5. So this is argon 3d d5 configuration is a so Mn2 plus is given. Mn2 plus is a d5 configuration present in here. So the generally electronic configuration is like that. So 1 2 3 4 5. Here this is 1 2 3 4 5. The magnetic quantum number value is minus, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Now we have to calculate the S value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to the 5 by 2. You have to calculate the spin multiplicity value. 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1. 2 is cancelled, is 6. So 6 is the spin multiplicity value of this Mn2 complex. And here this is the spin value is spin quantum number value is 5 by 2. So now we have to calculate the L value. Here plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 cancel. L value is 0. L value is 0 and L value is 0 and S value is 5 by 2. So the disconnected term state is L is equal to 0. This is the S term. So 6S is the ground state term. So in this option, this is 6S and 6S. So these two are cancelled. So in these two, which one is the correct? You have to calculate the another chromium 3 complex term symbol. So chromium 3 complex term symbol. Generally, chromium is the electronic configuration is chromium is electronic configuration is like the. This is very important. Argon 4s1 3d5. So this is the general electronic configuration of the chromium. But here this is the chromium is plus 3. One electron gone in this. So 4s and these 2 electrons in gone in this d orbital. So 3d3 is the electronic configuration of the chromium 3. So we have to calculate the term symbol 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. So S value is equal to the 3 by 2. Here this is the minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. So S is equal to 3 by 2. A spin quantum number value, it means spin multiplicity value is 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1, 2 is cancelled. So spin multiplicity value is 4. Spin multiplicity value is 4 and spin quantum number value is 3 by 2. Now we have to calculate the L value. Okay, so L value is equal to plus 2 and plus 1. This is the 3. L value is 3. So the disconnected term is F. Okay, so L value is 3. The disconnected state is F. So 4F is the ground state term. So here this is the 4F and 4F. So now we have to calculate the another complex, that is a copper 2 complex. Generally copper 2 complex is, this is very important. Copper 2 complex is D9 configuration is present in there. So D9 configuration, you have to calculate the term symbol. This is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here this is a plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 and minus 2. So what happened exactly? So S value is equal to this is the S value is equal to only one spin is present in this is the plus of S. Okay, S is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to calculate spin multiplicity value is 2S plus 1 is equal to 2E into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 is cancelled, so 2. 2 is the spin multiplicity value. So 2 is equal to spin multiplicity value, L value is, so this is the plus 2 and plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So here plus 1, so 2 electrons is present in there. So the L value is equal to 4 plus, here this is the 2 plus, here 0 plus minus 1, it means minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So this is the 4 is cancelled too. So L value is plus 2. L value is plus 2 in these copper 2 complexes, and S spin multiplicity value is 2. So the spin multiplicity value is 2. L value is equal to, it means the disconnected term is D. So 2D is the ground state term for these copper 2 complexes. Here this is the 2D and 2P. So this is not a correct answer. So B is a correct answer. Because of that, here this is the copper 2 complexes is a L value is 2. It means the disconnected term. Okay, the disconnected state is D. So this is 6S 4F 2D is the term ground state term symbol for this Mn2, chromium 3 and copper 2 complexes. Okay, so these are the important previous year questions in this atomic term symbol topic. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe Hello Friends Chemistry channel, and thank you for your supporting and thank you for your watching. So thank you a lot, all the very best.